The tree is fluffed, covered in lights, and ready to decorate. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to start with is the ribbon. I decided to use this wide gold-colored ribbon to complement the ornaments. So I'm simply tucking the ribbon into the tree. As you can see, I'm kind of going down the tree in a non-uniform zigzag pattern. I'm going to trim the ribbon about halfway down and start from a new location. Starting the cascading ribbon stripes from different heights on the tree adds an unexpected, interesting look. And I don't want to cover the entire tree with ribbon as I have lots of ornaments to add. But if you don't have many ornaments, ribbon can be a great way of filling in the rest of your tree. Remember, don't critique the look of your tree at the beginning because each additional layer will move toward a great completed look. I do focus a little more ribbon at the top of the tree, but still leave room for some ornaments and of course a topper. I used about 50 feet of ribbon on this 7.5 foot tall, 5.5 foot wide tree. I'm also going to add a few short ribbon pieces to break up the ribbon stripes. Now it's time to start adding ornaments. This tree will be silver and gold, so I'm going to start adding ornaments from each set, one type or color at a time to get even placement on the tree. This first ornament set has quite a variety of ornament styles, which is great for creating an intriguing finished design. Here's what it looks like so far. These frosty, clear ornaments are next. Then I'm going to add these golden tinsel ornaments by Martha Stewart. They add the perfect, unexpected texture. I still have some more ornaments to add. Again, I'm just adding one set at a time so they are evenly placed. And though I love decorating a Christmas tree with the lights on, it can be easier to get an even ornament placement when the lights are off, as the lights aren't filling in the look. Plus, it's exciting to see what the tree looks like at the very end all lit up. Next, I'm going to add a star topper. I'm just going to wire it to the main stem of the tree. I thought these crystal-like floral stems were just perfect for this tree. I'm simply tucking them in here and there to add a little more sparkle. These especially look great with the lights on, which I will show you later in this video. I found these cute little metal star ornaments at Target and was so excited to use them as they went with my golden star theme. Finally, I'm going to add some crystal ornaments, and after I finish with those, I'll show you the finished look. Welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher Heidemann and I love to decorate. Over the years, I've had a blast sharing a variety of craft and decorating videos. From cozy fall and spooky Halloween to warm and inviting Christmas. And other fun videos including seasonal home tours, garden tours, simple desserts and treats, floral arrangements, and other projects to make your holidays and home even more spectacular.